settle in to a seated position, or if you feel like you need to lay down, that's fine too. But if you're sitting, let your spine be tall but not rigid. Let your hands rest on your thighs or in your lap. You can pick a hand position. You can choose a fingertip to connect to your thumb tip. Take a deep breath in. And as you open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. If it feels good, you can let your eyes look down to a soft gaze or even close. Do two more of those exhales. Inhale through the nose and then a dramatic open mouth. Sigh it out. One more. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm and allow yourself to arrive here right now with nothing else to do but just be. And as we're talking about the concept of Asteya, non-stealing, and how it's so much more than just not taking what's not ours. Physically, it's also about not stealing time or energy or attention, whether it's from others or even ourselves. I find that to be often the most significant place, stealing time or energy or attention from ourselves. So check in with your body physically. Are there any places in your body that are holding on to tension? Neck, jaw, shoulders, chest, abdomen, hands. Can you ask yourself, am I stealing my own peace by holding on to something that's not mine? With each natural breath, can you soften? Can you let go of the gripping? Let go of the effort. Let go of the need to know. And just be here. And as is part of the human experience, if there's a situation in your life where you feel that you're grasping, or you're feeling a sense of urgency, or even a sense of comparison, and you let go of judgment towards someone or something else, and let go of judgment towards yourself, and just notice. Often our egos, the thinking part of our mind, wanders off into someone else's life or outside of our own life. And we can gently bring ourselves back. And other times our egos override our body's cues for rest, stealing from our own energy and our own well-being. We can use these next few moments to be with ourselves as we breathe in, breathe out, let go of any grasping. Let go of any sense of scarcity. Let go of the belief that anything outside of you will make you whole. Because you are whole and complete. As you breathe, say, I am. And as you breathe out, say, enough. Breathe in, I am. Breathe out, enough. Breathe in, I have. Breathe out, enough. Breathe in, there is. Breathe out, enough. Let these words land in your body. I am, I have, there is, enough. When we practice Asteya, we live from a place of trust. Trust that what is meant for us will not pass us by. That we don't need to take from others or ourselves to feel full. Take another deep breath in through the nose. As you exhale, stretch your palms towards each other at the center of your chest. As you feel your palms touching and your fingertips touching, maybe you let your thumbs rest against your sternum. Offer yourself gratitude for taking this time to tune in. To honor the energy of enough. Center of your chest. Take a moment to breathe here, remembering that living in alignment with Asteya means walking through the world with integrity, with generosity, and with trust. Let your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice.